Hi guys, today we'll be talking about of your vehicle, and of course you will want to ask me why should I worry or worry about my lights, any lights showing on my vehicle. I'm not talking about when you just switch on your ignition, all right? Because when you switch on your ignition, all the lights comes on, then all the lights should go off. So anytime you're driving your vehicle, you have any lights showing on your dashboard, right? That tells you you need to stop and know why that light is up. So if you have any of these lights showing on your dashboard, I'm sure you want to stop at your technician to take a look at it. Most of the time, it will require your tech person to plug in a diagnostic machine and retrieve some fault code, and with that they can advise you on the right approach and the best repair you need to take on your vehicle. I encourage you, every time you have any lights showing on your dashboard, you need to take a look at it, because it's a warning sign that something is wrong. Thank you guys.